Hello everyone on YouTube, it's that clock guy 432 with another video. Today, I got the clock. Not my world's smallest clock, but I have my Daniel Dakota clock. And I'm actually going to try and change the batteries in it, because that may be why the pitch is running so slow. Or low. It's actually starting to get a lot lower pitch than what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the clock over. I'm going to go ahead and lay it face down. You can hear it's still ticking, but I'm going to go ahead and replace the batteries, so here we go. So we just grab this. There we go. Put it in there. And we will go ahead and take this one out. And then we'll change the... And we'll get that one. And now here we go. Sorry about that. I will go ahead and we will get some new batteries out. I might be wrong about this, but alright, there we go. Positive end goes there. Here we go. New batteries. 3 AA's for this one, actually. And that one goes this way. And there we go. Let me check that other one. Alright. And last but not least, we have this one. Oh, make sure that one is... Oh, 1 second. There we go. Alright, let me go ahead and put that one there. This is my first video of doing this. It's kind of like winding a grandfather clock, but changing the batteries in a clock. And then the last one. Alright. Wow. Alright, 1 second. Let me go ahead and just adjust that. There we go. Alright, YouTube, there we go. Listen to that clock. Alright, YouTube, there we go. Listen to that. It's 6 o'clock. I gotta go ahead and change that. I'll go ahead and do that right now. Alright, let me see what time it is. Well, tell you what, I'll go ahead and work on this clock while I go ahead and turn off the video. But there it is. There's our video for today. The clock is working. There we go. It's fixed and it's working. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it.